Hey traders, welcome back to Trade Empire. In this video, we will learn the basic to advanced market structure concepts and how to identify the valid break of structures and valid change of character and how you can save yourself from fake reversals and breakouts. Let's start after a short intro. Back to the video. Let's start from market structure. There are two key factors that influence the price direction. The first one is trending, which includes the uptrend and downtrend. And the second one is consolidation, which includes the choppy and ranging market movement. And always, price moves between uptrend, downtrend, and consolidations. How to identify if the market is in uptrend or downtrend, or consolidating. In an uptrend, the price moves from low to high, and consistently making higher highs and higher lows, and also creating break of structures. And the price is continuously breaking the previous higher highs to stay in a strong uptrend. And an uptrend changes to downtrend when the price breaks one of the major low to the downside. And if price want to maintain its uptrend, then it will not break this major low, but it will continuously breaks the major high to upside and forms a break of structure. Let's take a look at bearish scenario. In a downtrend, the price continuously breaks the previous lower low to maintain the strong downtrend, and it also creates the break of structures while coming down. And the price will not break its major lower high if it want to stay into downtrend. But if price breaks the major lower high to the upside, then the trend of market will change to bullish. This was the basic introduction to market structure. This type of clean scenarios does not happen every time. The market is more complicated than we think it is. Let's go to some advanced market structure concepts. This is the most realistic uptrend structure that happens in the market. When price come back for a pullback, it does not come in a straight line. It comes like this, making internal structures. How to identify valid major highs and major lows? Look here, this is the highest point reached by the price before this retracement, and it will considered as major high or valid high. And the lowest point of this bullish wave will be considered as valid low or major low. And these 2 points constitute the major external structure here. And every structure formed between these 2 points is considered as internal structure. And if the price breaks the major high to the upside and creates a break of structure, it signals the continuation of the uptrend. And if the price falls down and breaks the major low to the downside, then it will be trend reversal signal. And this internal price action structure does not matter until the price remains above the major low. And this retracement creates a bearish trend in the lower time frame. But in this time frame, the scenario will be bullish after the retracement ends, and price will make a new higher high. Same concept for the bearish scenario. This point of the wave, which creates the break of structure to the downside, will be considered as major high or valid high, and the lowest point where the price has reached after the break of structure will be considered as major low. And these 2 points constitute the external structure. And what happens between them is the internal structure that will show a different trend in small time frame. And if price breaks the major low to the downside, then it is showing a downtrend continuation. And if the price breaks the major high to the upside, then is showing a reversal signal to the uptrend. Now you have to understood one thing clearly, that if price is not breaking the major low or major high, the internal structure does not matter. Let's talk about break of structure. You have likely seen BOS in many trading tutorials or in real market charts. In an uptrend, BOS will be defined as the situation where price breaks the previous major high to the upside and creates a new higher high. But it is not as simple. You have to learn the difference between Valid BOS and invalid. A valid BOS occurs when the price breaks the recent major high, and the body of the candle must be closed above the wick of recent major high. So, this would be a valid break of structure. But if only the wick of the candle breaks the recent major high, and the body closed below the major high, then it will not be a valid break of structure. Same concept for the bearish scenario. And here, only the wick of candle breaks the recent major low, and the body of candle closes above the major low. So, this is not a valid break of structure. In this scenario, the major low has been broke, and the body of this candle has been closed below the wick of this major low. So, this is a valid break of structure. Let's discuss deeply about change of character. To identify the valid change of character, first you have to determine the market direction. Could be an uptrend or downtrend, and second, you have to mark the valid break of structures on the chart. For example, price is in an uptrend and creating break of structures. And this is the recent major low, and this is the major high. And there are two types of change of character: minor change of character and major change of character. And whenever price breaks any internal major low, then it will consider it as minor change of character. And remember, minor change of character cannot be regarded as a sign of trend shift in the market. This scenario commonly happens in the market, and many traders thought that this is a trend reversal signal, and they execute their short trades, but they face losses due to not wait for the valid change of character. Here in this scenario, the major low has been taken by the price, and a valid change of character has been done here. Now, we can say that the trend of the market has been shifted to the bearish side. Same concept for the bearish scenario. Now here, the price breaks the major low to the downside with the body of a candle and closes below the wick of major low. So this will be a valid change of character. Same concepts applied for the bearish scenario. In bearish scenario, after breaking the recent major high, the body of the candle should be closed above the wick of major high. Then the change of character will be considered as valid. And if only wick of candle breaks the major high, then it will not be a valid change of character. And here we go. We have covered everything about market structure. If you did not understood everything, go and watch the video again and again. And if you still have any doubt or any question, just leave a comment, and I will try to solve your problem. Like the video to show your support, and subscribe the channel for upcoming videos. Wish you good luck for your trading journey.